Sir, Dr. Sumesh Dhamija, Head of the Department, Deepika Pandoi, Research Scholar. We all three belong to Department of Management, GLA University, Mathura, the birthplace of Lord Krishna. Our topic is Management of Non-Profit Organization and Argumenting Position of Volunteering, Human Resource and Economic Perspectives. We have tried to focus two things, non-profit organization as well as volunteering. Non-profit organization means not-for-profit organization, and no organization can run without the profits. But how this profit is being used, that is in the two different ways. For promoting the objectives of the company, as well as no dividend is being given to the stakeholders. Second part of our paper which we have tried to focus, volunteers. In the organization, anyone can be the volunteers. But what are the essentials required to be the volunteers? Vision should be clear. Generate profit, work without unselfishness motives, proper and adequate managerial skills, and selfless love. Why all these we require? The purpose, in order to retain and acquire effective and efficient HR for economics perspective. In the last, as a message, I just want to give a kind in the form of a couplet, which I've just tried to inculcate in the form of words created by me, that is, अपने आप को वॉलंटियर के रूप में इतना मुकल्लम बनाएं, अपने आप को वॉलंटियर के रूप में इतना मुकल्लम बनाएं कि चाहे वो पीओ हो या एनपीओ हो, पीओ मीन्स प्रॉफिट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन एंड एनपीओ मीन्स नॉन प्रॉफिट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, कि चाहे वो पीओ हो या एनपीओ हो, कि हर रूप में जीत कर आए. थैंक यू वेरी मच.